Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, you get a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a bed liner and tailgate step with this vehicle as well. Mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, side view camera, spotlight, turn light indicated, and blind spot detection. Moving to the front, we do get a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior with flat fold storage system, cup holders, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volts, and we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, B&O Sound System. We have our auto stop alert lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 71 kilometers. We do get this nice loaded up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get my view, trip, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To memory, we have our gear select. It is collapsible storage, cup holders. Got your center console that does turn into an interior work surface. You can put your food here, laptop, totally up to you. And you do get your storage underneath as well. We have our rear locking diff, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here. We do get a nice rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. We have park sensing, and looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show over here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE27405, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.